So here is the problem. This chain needs to come out, but this thing right here, this point where this pivot, swing arm pivot, and this point connection to support this foot peg, this prevents the chain from coming out. Only option we have is to either cut the chain, because there is no master link, and next I'm trying to do, let's see whether it works or not. I'm trying to rotate it, create a gap here, small gap, so that the chain might fit through. Let's see. Otherwise we will have to open this swing arm pivot too, which I don't want to, because this is factory set. So let's see how it goes. I think there is some clearance. This will have to be removed. So we just had to loosen it. Yes. So now the chain is out. Yeah, we just needed to loosen that bit a bit. Now inside. Okay. Go like this. Okay, now that it is suspended, let's try to fix the brakes. Okay. You have to make sure that this guiding rail, this right here, I'm not able to focus, yes, fits right here. There is a pin here that fits into this guiding rail. Okay, and this is the spacer, and this is the bracket where this axle will go. We have to adjust it and make it pass. That's it. It's fairly tight now. Okay. Just for the time being. Okay. I should have done this before installing the wheel. Now it will be harder. Okay. Let's try anyway. Let's see. Okay, it went, I think. Yes, you have to be very careful when the chain is free.